Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is our final video in the U.S. Highway 49 series. We begin as we enter the town of Marmaduke, named for Confederate Major General John Sappington Marmaduke, who later served as governor of the state of Missouri, which is just a few miles to the northeast of here. The community was severely damaged by a severe tornado on April 2, 2006. At least half of the town was reported to have been destroyed or even flattened, and nearly every structure received some degree of damage. No one was killed in Marmaduke, but at least 50 people were injured, some seriously. In 2009, a major ice storm came across the northern part of Arkansas, causing the village, together with other regions, to lose electricity for a few weeks. Since then, the town is almost fully recovered. Marmaduke has an estimated population of 1,221. We enter Clay County, which has an estimated population of 14,920. When Clay County was created as Arkansas's 67th county on March 24, 1873, it was named Clayton County after John M. Clayton, then a member of the Arkansas Senate and brother of then U.S. Senator Powell Clayton, although some sources suggested it may have been named for Powell Clayton instead. 2 years later, on December 6, 1875, the county's name was shortened to Clay by the Arkansas General Assembly. Some claim it was renamed for statesman Henry Clay, while others say John M. Clayton remained its official namesake. We enter the city of Rector, which has a population of 1,814. The city is named after 19th century Arkansas Governor Henry Massey Rector. The annual Rector Labor Day picnic features a rodeo, a parade, beauty pageants, and is a popular political campaign stop. We enter the city of Greenway with a population of 194. In 1876, W.V. Turner, a physician, established a post office known as Clayville, sometimes called Hamburg, in what is now Greenway. The name was changed to Greenway when a railroad line, eventually part of the St. Louis Southwestern system, was constructed through the community and a depot was built. But the origin of the name Greenway is still uncertain. We enter the city of Piggott, one of two county seats of Clay County, the other being Corning. Piggott is perhaps best known for its association with American writer and Nobel laureate Ernest Hemingway, whose second wife, Pauline Pfeiffer, was the daughter of prominent local landowner and businessman Paul Pfeiffer. The Pfeiffer House and Carriage House are now preserved as the Hemingway Pfeiffer Museum and Educational Center run by Arkansas State University. As we approach the junction of US 62, we reach the northern terminus of US 49. We've covered 516 miles, over 25 videos. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and series, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.